We pray. Okay. No, but then again, yours, I can dream up to only up to you, sir.
All your blessings, sir.
Steps fallen on this soil in this building, definitely this will grow like them.
All Sushil sir's blessing.
Things will go for that is how
This
it is.
is important.
So you can please say a few words.
But yeah,
Kuncha bhi vandru.
So there, sir.
from place of authority.
Madam plays authority.
Everyone is
Doctor, doctor,
please.
Steps fallen in this building
Thank you.
itself.
My sister also.
Somata.
Good morning to everyone. ಮೊದಲಾಗಿ ನಾನು I congratulate Madam Srilata, who has a wide experience in education, and KGF ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಮೊಂಟೆಸರಿ ಇದು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಇವರು ಅವರ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏಜ್ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆದ ನಂತರ ಕೂಡ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರು ಈ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ KGF ತಾಲೂಕದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ to become part of her journey. That will definitely be very helpful for the kids of KGF. ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ KGF ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಫೌಂಡೇಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಏಜ್ ಹೌ ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ grasp things and develop its mind, for these institutions are very important. So I am sure that in future KGF will produce very good result, and many good people and high achievers will come out, and this is also ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರದು ಅದೇ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರಲ್ಲಿ KGF ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಹೆಸರು ಬರಬೇಕು. In that regard, this is a very good foundation, and I congratulate Madam and Madam's son also, who are taking very keen interest. And from our side, anytime any help is if required, we are always there. And again, I thank you to invite me for this event. Thank you.
And really everyone, whomever I've invited, all have come. I've invited all my well-wishers. All have come here wholeheartedly, blessed me. This is a nature-centric learning school. Definitely it will go on the basic, whatever learning has to take place, that will be happening here. It is actually like the old Gurukul system. Like that, under the tree, nature-centric learning will carry on. Let all the children who pass through these doors, let them play, learn and grow and nurture themselves. Thank you.
ಶಾಲೆ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿ.
It is Children's Courtyard.
ಮೇಡಮ್, ಏಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನು?
ಉದ್ದೇಶ
ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಏನು? ಯಾತಕ್ಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ? ಇಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು
ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ, ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಥಾಟ್, ನಾನು ಏನೇನು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್, ಏನೇನು ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಯಿತು. I felt that is come to a saturation level, because the last saturation is rank that I could get. Consequently, I could get rank. This year also we have worked for it, not one rank, multiple ranks. We have aimed for it, and we will get also 600 plus, no doubt in it. More than 30 students I have aimed, and we will get also, no doubt in it. So since 27 years I'm in this field, and I'm working for Mahavir Jain School as a principal over there. Since 27 years I'm there, and I've worked the maximum I've done, and I've taken up whatever stress I had to take up, everything I've taken up. I've reached the saturation. So now I feel I must my passion is academics. So after 60s, anyhow, I cannot lose my passion. I must do something with the babies. So stress-free environment with babies, maximum values inculcated in them. So that will be my aim and my motto. Vision also. ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಆಟ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ಗ್ರೂಪಿಂದ ಬರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು ಕಲಿಸೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವರನ್ನು. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದಮ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೀ ಆಟ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಅ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ 1 ball. Child will get 1 ball. I can ask the child to get 1 red ball. Child will get 1 red ball. So their number system child is learning, color child is learning, but happily child will learn. So that way of activity based learning, child will learn unknowingly. Child is learning with activities only, not through pressurized learning.
ಇವಾಗ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್? ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಜನರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೀರಿ?
Okay. See, admission fees will be to a higher side only because, see, when I tell higher side, why? That question will arise in the minds of people. So 18 to 20 is a ratio I have thought. That is for 1 teacher, 18 students to 20 students. If I have 40 and 45 and 50, I can have normal range of fee structure. But here I'll have to have a higher range of fee structure because the ratio is very less, and all activity based learning, and each class with the teacher and with the menial staff supporting them. If at all there are 22 classes, 1 supporting staff will be there to support them. Thank you so